Hey guys, it's Ken11 and I'm just been watching some kids next door, and then and I got my dog with me as well. Peppa, Peppa, say hi, Peppa. What's that? What's that? What's that? Peppa, what's that? She's just been laying there with me, watching some kids next door. So, I've been sunburned. You can recognize. It's like when Sky Stuck did finish Primal, and then and stuff. Sky Stuck's dog's name's Gaz. But I've been watching. I heard his name anyway. Peppa, do I say something for YouTube? Oh, Peppa. Will I say something for YouTube? Will I say something for YouTube, Peppa? Yes, I do. Hello, I am Peppa. I'm a dog, and I've been watching some kids next door as well. And hello, Scottish dog. Say hello to my dog Gaz as well. Ah. Ah. Wait, stay there. But I'm wearing Kevin's cap as well. Ah. Ah. Yeah, you go and lay down. Yeah, you go lay down. Well, my mum and my little sister have dropped my cousin. My cousins. So, it's just me and the dog is alone. Peppa. Oh, ow. Well, see, that's the end of Kids Next Door. The factory's been destroyed. Ice cream farm. You won't ever go, Peppa. So that's it, guys.